Am I the only one that didn't know how surprising 100 calorie foods can be? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of calories. Yeah, you heard me right, calories. Don't switch off now, you won't believe what we have in store. Knowing your calories is the difference between nailing that healthy lifestyle and ending up with unhealthy habits. Do you know how much food is 100 calories? Let's find out together. Stay tuned to find out which foods you can enjoy guilt-free. Listen up, you Muppets. It's time to get real about what you're putting into your body. You might think you can eat whatever you want and get away with it, but that's not how it works. Your body is a temple, not a trash can. So, let's break it down and understand why you need to stop being a donkey about your diet. Calories are simply a way of measuring the energy we get from food. Every bite you take, every morsel you consume, it all adds up. Think of calories as the currency your body uses to function. Just like you wouldn't spend all your money on junk, you shouldn't spend all your calories on empty, unhealthy foods. Think of it like fuel for your body. Just as your car needs the right kind of fuel to run smoothly, your body needs the right kind of calories to function at its best. You wouldn't put diesel in a Ferrari, would you? No, because that would ruin the engine. Similarly, putting junk food into your body can mess up your system. You wouldn't put diesel in a Ferrari, would you? So why treat your body like a garbage disposal? Your body deserves premium fuel, the kind that will keep it running efficiently and effectively. When you fill up on nutritious foods, you're giving your body the best chance to perform at its peak. So why treat your body like a garbage disposal? Toss out the junk food and start focusing on what really matters. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making smarter choices. When you eat better, you feel better. It's as simple as that. Calorie counting doesn't have to be a punishment. It's a tool to help you understand your eating habits and make better decisions. By keeping track of what you eat, you can see where you might be going wrong and make adjustments. It's about being mindful and taking control of your health. It's about understanding what you're putting in your body and making informed choices. When you read food labels and compare items, you're educating yourself. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about what you're eating, the better choices you can make. It's not about being perfect, it's about being informed. It's about respect, you hear me? Respect for yourself and the amazing machine you call a body. When you treat your body with respect, it will reward you with better health, more energy, and a greater sense of well-being. It's a cycle of positivity that starts with the choices you make every day. Respect for yourself and the amazing machine you call a body. When you fuel it right, you can achieve incredible things. Exercise becomes easier, your mood improves, and you feel more capable of taking on life's challenges. It's all connected, and it starts with what you put on your plate. Get it right and you'll be firing on all cylinders. Your body will run like a well-oiled machine ready to tackle whatever comes your way. You'll have the energy to pursue your passions, the stamina to keep going, and the health to enjoy it all. It's about living your best life, and it starts with the fuel you choose. Get it wrong and you'll be a disaster, a complete train wreck. No pressure, yeah? But seriously, the stakes are high. Your health is your most valuable asset, and it's worth taking the time to get it right. So stop being a donkey, make the smart choices, and give your body the respect it deserves. You got this. Portion control, you hear me? It's one of the most important aspects of maintaining a healthy diet. You might think it's trivial, but trust me, it's not. The size of your portions can make or break your health goals. This isn't rocket science, but some of you lot act like you've never seen a measuring cup before. It's a simple tool, yet so many people overlook its importance. Measuring cups and spoons are your best friends in the kitchen. They help you keep track of how much you're actually consuming. It's about understanding how much you're actually supposed to eat. A portion isn't just a random amount you scoop onto your plate. It's a specific quantity that aligns with your dietary needs. Using portion control guides can be incredibly helpful. They provide a visual representation of what a balanced meal should look like. Think of it like this. Your stomach is not a bottomless pit, it has a finite capacity, and overloading it can lead to discomfort and health issues. Visualize your stomach as a container that needs to be filled with the right amount of fuel. Eating the right portions ensures that you feel satisfied without feeling stuffed. You can't keep shoveling food in there and expect to come out looking like a Greek god. Overeating leads to weight gain, sluggishness, and a host of other problems. It's easy to lose track of how much you're eating, especially when you're distracted or eating out of boredom. Being mindful of your portions can help you avoid these pitfalls. Now, I'm not saying you have to starve yourself. That's just bloody stupid. Depriving yourself of food is not the answer. Instead, focus on eating the right amount of the right foods. A small plate of food can be just as satisfying as a large one if it's well balanced and nutritious. But you need to find a balance, a happy medium. It's all about moderation. Enjoy your meals, but don't go overboard. A well-portioned meal can leave you feeling content and energized rather than bloated and lethargic. It's about making smart choices and listening to your body's hunger cues. A little bit of what you fancy, but not the whole bloody bakery. Treats and indulgences are fine in moderation. You don't have to completely give up your favorite foods, just be mindful of the portions. A small dessert can be a delightful end to a meal without derailing your health goals. Remember, it's all about balance and making informed choices. Almonds, you magnificent little bastards. Did you know that just 14 of these beauties clock in at a measly 100 calories? And don't even get me started on the nutritional benefits. We're talking healthy fats, fiber, protein, the whole bloody lot. They're like the Navy SEALs of the snack world. So next time you're feeling peckish, ditch the crisps and grab a handful of almonds. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Broccoli, your green superhero. Broccoli, you green glorious beast. This humble vegetable is more than just a side dish. It's a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. From the fields where it's grown to the baskets in your local market, broccoli stands tall as a champion of health. 300 grams of this stuff, a bloody mountain of it, is only 100 calories. Are you kidding me? That's right, you can eat a heaping plateful and still stay within your calorie limits. It's the perfect food for those looking to maintain or lose weight without sacrificing volume or satisfaction. And for that measly calorie count, you get a truckload of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. We're talking about vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and potassium, just to name a few. Plus, the fiber content helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. It's like hitting the nutritional jackpot every time you take a bite. It's like the Mother Teresa of vegetables, pure wholesome goodness. Broccoli doesn't just fill you up, it nourishes you from the inside out. It's a vegetable with a mission, dedicated to making you healthier and happier. So stop being a lazy sod and get some broccoli on your plate. Whether you're shopping at the grocery store or picking it fresh from your garden, make sure this green superhero finds its way into your meals. Steam it, roast it, sauté it, or even blend it into a soup. The versatility of broccoli is unmatched. You can enjoy it in countless ways, each method bringing out a different aspect of its unique flavor and texture. Grill it, I don't care. The smoky char from grilling adds a whole new dimension to its taste. Experiment with different cooking techniques to find your favorite way to enjoy this green gem. Just eat the bloody thing. Whether you're a kid or an adult, broccoli has something to offer everyone. So embrace this green superhero and let it work its magic on your health and well-being. Chapter 5. Chicken breast, the protein powerhouse. Chicken breast, the king of lean protein. For a measly 100 calories, you get a whopping 85 grams of pure muscle-building goodness. This is the stuff champions are made of. And don't even try to tell me it's boring. You can grill it, bake it, fry it, stuff it, the possibilities are endless. So get creative and make chicken breast your new best friend. Chapter 6. Apple slices, nature's candy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so they say. And with good reason. These bad boys are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Plus, 1.5 medium apples come in at just 100 calories. So ditch the sugary sweets and reach for an apple instead. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you for it. Now, before you get your knickers in a twist, I'm not saying you can go scoff the whole bloody bar, but a little bit of what you fancy does you good, right? And when it comes to dark chocolate, a little goes a long way. 20 grams of this deliciousness clocks in at just 100 calories, plus it's packed with antioxidants. So go on, treat yourself. You deserve it. Chapter 8. Carrots, see in the dark. Deliciously, carrots, you crunchy little devils, not only are they good for your eyesight, but they're also incredibly low in calories. We're talking a whopping 250 grams for just 100 calories. That's right, you can practically eat a whole field of carrots and still be in calorie deficit. So go on, channel your inner Bugs Bunny and get munching. Chapter 9. Avocado, good fat is your friend. Avocado, you creamy, dreamy delight. Yes, it's true, avocados are relatively high in fat. But it's the good kind of fat, the kind that your body loves. And for just 100 calories, you get 50 grams of pure avocado goodness, so spread it on toast, add it to salads, or just eat it straight out of the skin with a spoon. I won't judge. Chapter 10. Calorie Awareness, Your Key to Success. There you have it, you bunch of misfits. Understanding calorie content doesn't have to be a chore. It's about making informed choices and taking control of your health. Remember, knowledge is power. And when it comes to your health, there's no excuse for being a lazy sod. So get out there, make smart choices, and become the culinary rock star you were born to be. You've got this, thanks for watching. Now stop stuffing your face with those bloody crisps and get cooking. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. And with a little bit of effort, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now get out of my kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips.